Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Secrets Playa Mujeres. This particular category is a junior suite ocean view. Let me show you what it's all about. So right here, as soon as you enter the room to the left, you've got this great pass-through. You can see inside there, they've got it set up like they would in the morning for a continental breakfast, coffee delivery, but of course, any of the room service that you order will be put in there. And I love that because you don't have to hurry up and get dressed or whatever it is. You can go take it whenever you're ready. And of course, it's in there and it's out of the weather and protected. So right here, you've got your Nespresso maker, Nespresso pods in there, and they'll replenish those as you like. And down below, you have your mini fridge that's fully stocked now, and you can have that replenished as often as you like throughout your stay. You've got a little bit of storage here for luggage, both on top and underneath, and follow me on into the bathroom. So over here to the right, you've got the toilet, and just in here, you've got the shower. You've got a great rainforest shower head here. You've got the shower wand, nice little seat there. You can put your foot up if you need to shave, or you can sit there. And then as we head on in, you've got this great double vanity. I know my wife and I love having a double vanity. I think it's a great advantage. And you've got all of your amenities here. They're a bit on the upgraded side. They're full size. I really like that they do that here. And they even include things like mosquito repellent and sunscreen. Over here, you've got your very large jacuzzi soaking tub. And one of the signatures that I love is this aroma, essentially, here. You've got the incense. And when you light it, if you've ever been to Secrets and you come back, it's always kind of that rush of a memory coming back there. And right here, you also have a hairdryer that's customary in every single room. And I just wanted to point out that this does open up. So if you want that sunlight coming in, you can do that, or you can leave it shut for the privacy. So over here to my left, you're going to have your storage area. You've got an iron and ironing board there. You do have robes that are complimentary in every category. You've got storage up above and hanging storage here. All your glassware that goes with the Nespresso maker and the mini bar over there. Right here, you've got your safe. It can take a tablet or a smaller laptop. And then you've got more drawers underneath for storage as well. So here you'll see your full king-size bed. I love that they have the nice little canopy up above. And over here, they have your light switches. There's a great reading light here as well. But I wanted to point out especially that your do not disturb and makeup room lights are right there. I love that because if you forget to do it before you get in bed, you can just lean over and hit the button. But if you're walking out the room, you got to remember that it's back over here. Now, as we continue along to the other side of the bed, you're going to have the reading light once again. You've got your light switches. You do have one USB plug there. There's not any plugs on the other side, and there's not any like US regular AC plugs here. So I always recommend bringing an extra backup battery so that you can charge your phone overnight, maybe charge the battery during the day. You also have climate control on the side. It's something I really appreciate because if you want to turn it down a few degrees in the evening, perfect to do it right there. You also have your phone. Now over here you have your small writing desk, TV. Hopefully you don't have to work too much on vacation, but it's perfect for that if you need to. You've got some plugs over here. But I did want to point out the tablet. Now, what this is it's kind of your one-stop shop for everything for the Secrets Hotel. You've got the different activities listed on here, the times, different tour options, spa, things along those lines, but you also have the dining menus. And what I love is you can order your room service right here. You order it digitally, you don't have to have any other interaction. And then when you're done, you just put it in there and you hit the button that lets them know and they pick it up. So, but once again, this is a great option. You can take it anywhere in the room and utilize it to see everything that's going on. Now we'll continue on to the living room area. You've got the full sofa here, a nice ottoman. Put your feet up there, or of course you can get a tray table. That's perfect for if you're getting that in-room dining. Over here you've got your table, 2 chairs there as well. And I do love that they actually have a fan up above because I love having that air moving through the room. So now I'm headed out onto your private balcony. I love that you can shut this. There is a screen so you can have that fan going and the breeze nice in there. Right here, you've got your 2 chairs and a table. In this view, and just like almost everything in this category, you can see the pools and you also can see the ocean in the distance. But what it really is a nice private place, maybe to have a cocktail or a cup of coffee. So when you're ready to book this room category or any suite at Secrets, Dreams, or any of the AM resorts, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your AM experts. We have a great relationship with them. We know the products inside and out, and we know that we can help create the vacation of a lifetime for you and your family at an incredible value.